How's it going? I am Ryan Rowley, one of the founders of Thunder NSI, and right here we've got some of our products here at CES. So this is the next generation of routing that's happening for businesses. So what we call the smart router. If you guys remember the flip phone and then the smartphone came out, we're doing the same thing for routers for businesses. And what we've done is we've partnered with other companies to build our own app marketplace, and we're pushing applications to the edge. Applications like a voice over IP server, cybersecurity, and controllers. Looking forward to talk to you guys more about this in the future. Thanks. All right, this product is already shipping. It's available. It ships for about $300 US, and this product over here goes for less than $100 US. It'll be available in Q1 2019.
What's your website address?
You can go to see our website at thundernsi.com.